That's it? Mm-hmm. Library card, please?
Absolutely.
Thank you. It looks like you have a fine. Something called One Night in the Tropics. You kept it 13 weeks too many. That's 7 cents a week, so that would
28 cents.
28.
28 cents.
I'm sorry, but 7 times 4 is 28.
No, everybody knows 7 times 13 is 28.
I don't believe you. Look, prove it to me.
Right.
So are you telling me that 7 can go into 28 13 times?
Yes.
Prove it to me.
Okay, I'll prove it by division.
Alright.
We got a big old 7.
Yep.
And we're going to divide 28 by 7. This big old 7 can't go into this itty bitty bitty 2.
No, it can't.
Okay, so we're going to take that 2.
Uh-huh.
Give me your hand. And you're going to hold on to it for a little while, okay? Keep that little 2 nice and safe and warm. Okay. 7 into 8.
Once.
Okie dokie. Bring down the 7. Subtract.
1.
Now I'm going to take that little itty bitty 2. You've had it for long enough. Okay. And boom. 7 and 21.
3 times. Oh, wait, no. Prove it with multiplication.
Multiplication. Okay. 13 times 7.
Yep.
7 times 3.
21.
7 times 1.
7.
7 plus 1.
8.
Bring down the 2. 28.
Okay. No, we're going to prove this once and for all. We're going to add. I want you to write 13 7 times.
13 7 times. Okay. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7.
So you were telling me that all of these 13s add together is going to be 28?
Yes.
No, I don't believe you.
3, 6, 9.
I'm going to count. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21.
22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28.
Now are you guys crazy? This is not right. It is not. Oh my gosh. Did you go to school, stupid?
Yes. And I came out the same way.
Whatever. 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we're going to add it. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. But we write the 21 like this, and then you add the 2 here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Because 7 times 13 is 91. I'll prove it to you some more. 13 times 7. 7 times 3. You were right, it is 21. But you multiply the 7 times the 1 and you get 7, but then you add the 2, which is 7, 8, 9. 91. Because that's the answer. I just, 7 into 28 is not 13. You were right. 7 cannot go into the 2, so you have to go 7 into 28. Look, 7 times 4 equals 28. 4, 28, and you subtract. There's no remainder. Where'd the other one go?